One aspect of this society of open-minded men that is sometimes overlooked, undervalued, or even despised is that many of them fail to recognize and appreciate the wealth they've begun to discover within themselves. Most men have learned to adapt to this because the idea of actual and customized freedom is so alien to them that they would rather exchange one cruel master for a weaker one rather than face the unpleasantness of making open-ended decisions in the first place. In many cases, he does not recognize the gift until compelled to do so by circumstances. He learns to understand the present's appeal and why it is so vague and difficult to offer once he goes back to his former habits of comfort. Many people would rather discover what they had gained than worry about what they fear they have lost. Many people complain about the lack of a feminine master, a clear path through which all of their choices would support all of their energy, which would be useful because they wouldn't have to spend it themselves. Nobody knows anything if they have never known themselves. Even though the benefits of the gift of freedom are hidden from the untrained observer, he is unaware of them, awaiting reawakening and harvesting. Don't waste time wishing for things that have already happened, because doing so will not only widen the chasm, but will also put you further behind in achieving what is truly yours. Consider your choice. Give yourself the gift of freedom as a choice rather than a reaction to an event. Consider how satisfied you are with your decision-making abilities. You are more than the result of the event that prompted you to seek help. First and foremost, a gift. You are the gift to yourself. Many men meet the requirements for recognizing their infinite potential while approaching it with caution, and some even peek inside in an effort to glimpse the forbidden world. They eventually flee in search of a new master, exchanging dreams of freedom for dreams of a balanced and fair master. And the gift is steadfast and eternal, even as they make the same mistakes and fail to recognize their own inner potential. This is a skill that every man possesses, but most men never utilize it. Don't be afraid of what your talent can accomplish. Accept all of the consequences if you have one. A man's gift must not be tampered with. It must be fully utilized, or it will become obsolete. Anything else is a distorted version of the gift, of their inner strength, so stay away from it. If you master the gift of freedom, the strength you will gain will naturally protect it. It too will prosper and remain alive. You will be wishing you'd found it sooner rather than later, when you lived in the dark, safe from harm. The value of the item would be reduced if it was easily spotted by the guys who had only recently begun to open their gifts. Enable yourself to be patient as you use its power. There will be a lot of time to accomplish all of your objectives. With the men who have mastered this talent, that which we desire and admire in one another, congratulations on your achievements in life. And I hope you'll think about sharing some of what you've learned with others in order to help the next man on his way to success. Everyone who is listening will also become a better person. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video of Superior Mentor.